Hello everyone. So today we are going to start a new section, and this section is called Graphing Linear Equations. Basically we are going to continue with what we have learned in previous math classes, but we're going to do a quick review. First, the Cartesian plane, which is basically your xy coordinate or xy axis, and Cartesian plane is a plane in a plane system that a coordinate of a given point, or the location of a given point, is given by the x value and the y value, the horizontal and the vertical. And the way it's written, a coordinate is written in a notation of bracket x comma y bracket closed, and that is called an ordered pair. Any given point will have a mapping that has to follow the x and y. So in this case, for example, I just put an example in here, the origin, which is where the x-axis and the y-axis they intercept. The coordinate of the point of intersection of the two axes is called the origin. The coordinate of that, the x value is 0, the y value is 0, and that's the way we write it. So let's do a couple of examples. Let's look at coordinates. For example, 1 1. So where is 1 1? 1 1 is right there, so that is 1 comma 1. How about -5? So let's look at that coordinate. What is the coordinate there? Remember, always you have to start with the x value and then you come with the y value. So -5, you go up, you go across, and that is 2. Great. All right, now remember that the right on a horizontal line, the right hand side is positive value, the left hand side is negative value for x, the up is positive value for y, down is negative value for y. All right, so can you go through and plot these random points? And I'm going to draw a table like that, an x and y. That means I give you some x coordinates, 1 0 -3 and 4, and the equivalent or the corresponding y value will be 1 0 0 4 -3 5 and 4 2. And go ahead and plot each of these coordinates. Remember, the way it's written is 1 0 for the table. You have to write it like that, so get used to that as well. So rewrite it in a coordinate in an ordered pair form that represents a relation between the two, and then plot them. All right, you go ahead and do that and come back and check. Okay, so double check. 1 0 is right here, that's 1 0. 0 4, x is 0, so you're right at the center where it is, as x is 0, and then you go up 4 units, that would be your 0 4 coordinate, right? Next one is -3 or -3 5. So -3 5 is right here, that's your -3 5, and that's the coordinate right there. And then last one is 4 2. Okay, now that you've done the coordinate, plotting the coordinate points, just a quick review again. Don't forget, x value or x coordinate is independent variable when it comes to Cartesian coordinate, and y is a dependent variable, and basically that means that y depends on value of x. So an x is actually another thing, another term for x is called an input, and y is the output. It's like a vending machine. You put something in, like a loonie, a quarter, whatever, and then you press a couple of buttons and then something pops out, and that's your y value, that's your outcome, and that's your output. All right, so you can use terminology like that, but very important to understand which one is dependent and which one is independent variable.